Fall fashion, what to keep and what to ditch, considering we're all not really gonna be going that far. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. Hello. I love you guys. If you don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a fashion stylist, and if you do, hello, I'm so excited to see you from all of your countries and all the places you are and whatever you're doing. Today's video is going to be what to ditch and what to keep for fall. We may be stuck at home, so let's clean out our closets and think about what we're gonna use versus what we're not gonna use. These are just my opinion. If you guys love the things that I'm talking about, by all means keep them. This is just what I'm suggesting. First things first, we're gonna ditch the ugly black dress slacks that you bought just to go into the office that don't really fit, that are probably a bit scratchy, that really aren't the quality that they should be. Maybe you hated them in the first place. Get rid of them. What can you replace those with? A ribbed sweater dress. Or we can even go so far, I'm gonna adapt that, this is like on the fly, but like, I have a pair of actually ribbed sweater pants. I feel like those would look really cool. I got those at Zara. You can pull those on, they've kind of got a wider leg. You could throw on like a silk top, like a collared shirt with that. So let's get rid of the stuffy wool dress pants and let's replace it with something ribbed and soft and stretchy. Something that you can wear at home. So I have a couple ribbed long dresses that I wear. They've got long sleeves. I wear them with short booties. I can throw like a moto jacket over top of those, but guess what? I can also be lounging around in my house in the exact same item. I am never going to be lounging around the house in my black work trousers. Never, not happening. So my suggestion is something you can wear at home and to the office if you end up going. The next item I'm suggesting to ditch this fall is the shrunken tight jean jacket. Okay, I am definitely a jean jacket fan. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I'm always suggesting that you must have one in your closet. I'm not saying like ditch as in like hoof it out of the closet, but what I'm saying is the ones that are like really tight and cropped, I actually have one of those. I never choose it. I don't choose it. I still keep it. I'm the one who always tells you guys to throw things out. Mine's sitting in my closet. I'm actually going to ditch this one. So get rid of it. They're cropped, they're tight. It's not comfortable. You don't need to wear it anymore. I'm going to tell you what to replace it with. If you have an oversized jean jacket, replace it with that. Or if you want to dress that up a little bit, replace it with an oversized blazer. So I have a really great one. I have a white one, I have a black one. I think they're Eero. You can throw those on. Mine are long. My body type suits a longer blazer. I have really long legs and like a stumpy torso. So I love those. I can push up the sleeves. I will come home and I will wear it around the house and not even take it off because it's so comfortable. If I'm a little cropped jean jacket or any type of jacket, I'm like, that thing's peeling off the minute I walk in the door. It's uncomfortable. So basically what I'm saying is get rid of any tight jackets that you have that you don't like, that are uncomfortable. Get something that's oversized, comfortable, and still looks classy. The next thing I'm gonna suggest that you ditch for fall 2020 is like the really flat mules. So those were a trend for a long time. Do you remember the Gucci ones? That really thin, low profile bottom is no longer trending. If you have a pair and you love them and your favorite shoes, keep them. But if you're looking to like upgrade your wardrobe and you wanna like get into something a little more, I'm saying go for like the platform Oxfords, the platform loafers. I have a pair, you guys comment on them every time I post them. So those are really trending and actually they're really comfortable. Not only do they give you a bit of height without wearing a heel, but they kind of feel like sneakers if you get a really good pair. So that is a trend. I've actually had mine for probably 5 years. So they have some longevity to them. You don't have to get a super thick sole, just one like medium sole. I'm just saying you can upgrade if you're looking for a fall trend. Those are a great one. They're comfortable, they're classic. Add them to your wardrobe. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna suggest to ditch, and again, I'm prefacing this, I'm not saying like ditch, like throw them out, but maybe just tuck them into the back of your wardrobe or in a shoebox, is your pumps. So if you are not heading into the office or doing as many things as you normally do, there's no big events right now, or at least not in big gatherings, you don't really need those pumps. You do need them. You need pumps, especially in neutral colors, and I love mine. But for now, slide them over to the side and get a heeled pair of loafers. I love this look. I think it's awesome, a chunky heel. It actually gives you the height. If you are going out, it's a super classy look. It's also got a little bit of edge. It's elevated. I think that's a great addition to your wardrobe, and you're not really putting your feet in little prisons that they don't need to be in, because we don't really have as many events going on currently this fall. Okay, so it's fall, it's a change of seasons, change of color, change of you. So the other thing I'm gonna suggest is ditch all the colors in your closet that don't look good on you. So this one is not so specific, it's just general. I actually just did a video on how to find your skin undertone. So if you're wondering, am I a warm or a cool person, or like, oh, why the heck does this hot pink sweater not look good on me? I will leave a link to it down below. So this is not specific, but go through your closet. If you have a blue sweater that you've been hanging there for a long time, or hot pink or yellow or whatever it is, doesn't look good on you, give it to someone. Give it to your sister, give it to your mother, give it to your kid, whatever, or donate it. Because if it doesn't look good on you, you don't wear it, you never get compliments in it, get rid of it. And then you can buy something else that does, that's comfortable and that fits. And the last thing I'm gonna suggest to ditch for fall 2020 is anything that doesn't fit and a negative attitude about those types of things. So if you have a bunch of items that you are saving, that are taking up space in your closet, I talk about this all the time, it is not good for your mental health. If you don't like them and you don't wear them, this I'm suggesting do an actual ditching. Or you can, if you're really not ready for that, take them and put them in a bag, a box, put them aside in your closet and come back to them next year. And if you still haven't worn them an entire year, definitely give them away. Give them to someone else so they can feel joy. But for you, if you don't wear them and they make you uncomfortable, ditch them and your attitude towards them. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to give some specifics and some general points. I mean, I could have gone on and on in this video because I have so many of what to ditch in general, but we will save that for another video. I love you guys. Remember to say hi to me down below and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.